Most shocks and struts are designed to function in a vertical or up or down position. However, before they are installed, they are generally stored on their side. This can cause the gas charging within a shock or strut to mix with the hydraulic fluid, resulting in the unit appearing to be defective right out of the box, which is not the case. Simply priming the shock or strut before installing can resolve the issue. To prime or check rod reaction on ride control units, follow this process. One, make sure unit is at room temperature. 2, cycle unit from full extension to full compression 2 to 3 times with the rod facing up. 3, fully compress unit and allow the rod to extend on its own. This should require less than 45 seconds on a unit with normal gas pressure and up to 2 minutes for a low gas unit. If the unit fully extends to these specs, it is considered fully functional. Four, non-gas units will not extend. 5, it is not uncommon for 2 like units to extend at different speeds until they are broken in. 6, due to the single tube construction, monotubes do not need to be primed.